The benefits of product lifecycle management have always been promising, but traditional PLM systems require extensive consulting. They are expensive, training is lengthy, and getting up and running often takes too much away from getting today's work done. Fusion 360 Manage helps you avoid all of that. With Instant On PLM that's easy to use and accessible anytime, anywhere, from a browser or mobile device. We give you the flexibility to start today and expand tomorrow with a PLM platform that adapts to your business. Included are core PLM apps that are easy to configure to your specific requirements. Rather than starting from scratch, these apps include out-of-the-box workflows that you simply tailor to your needs. A simple change of category here, another change here, and you're all set. Now you can better improve your new product development process, better manage change orders, bill of materials, supplier collaboration, and product quality. Start with one process at a time and easily expand as you need. Fusion 360 Manage simplifies everyday tasks and improves collaboration. And with its open API, Fusion 360 Manage integrates easily with other business systems such as ERP, CRM, and PDM. It's everything you need in a single PLM platform that connects your people, processes, and data across departments and geographies. Realize the benefits of PLM today and spend more time reaching your business goals with Fusion 360 Manage.